Today we will show you how to make the corner turn of the wooden railing on the stairs of the house rounded. It takes a lot of time because it has to be shaped, but it looks very beautiful. It looks the same. You can see the round shape work of the corner of the wooden railing. You can see that the carpenter does his work in a very brilliant manner and with great responsibility. You see, the whole video is about wooden railing and how to make a railing, how to make the corner of the railing round shape. Complete information in the video. Watch the full video. This handrail technique is really efficient for making complex shapes. It's very fast and easy. The straight sections are made in solid wood. Upgrade your staircase with a sleek wooden handrail for a modern touch. Perfect for adding elegance and durability to your home decor.
Best wooden furniture, impressive work and tips and tricks, innovative ideas. Impressive design, innovative ideas. So simple, easy work. Our page promotes creativity and innovation and showcase you with the best content about creative crafts and innovative items manufacturing. Enjoy the content and share your opinions with us through comments. Thank you for watching, and more videos visit my page and like, share and comment. Thank you.